It's got an adipose fin, but it's been cut. And that's what that stuff is over there coming out of the chute. Yeah. There we go. There's a fish right there. Back into the net, back into the net. Into the net you go. And there is no adipose fin on that baby. Oh, wow. What a gorgeous fish. This journey started in the 60s, and I have fished from Alaska to Florida, hunted the Arctic for caribou, and combed the coastlines of Kodiak and the Aleutian Islands in search of meaning and purpose. These excursions exemplify a deeper understanding of success beyond that of just catching fish or bagging big game. They are about the chase and learning who you are. They are about exploring, appreciating, and respecting the vast expanses of our nation's forests, lakes, streams, rivers, and oceans, and finding our place in the universe. My name is Gene Quinney. These are my stories, this is my life, and these are my adventures. Well, for some reason there are miles of traffic here, but I have to deal with this all the time. I remember heading out here out of Southfield, Puyallup, when there was nothing here. Of course, that was a long time ago. That was a madhouse. It's the worst road in Pierce County, I swear. But anyway, I'm heading down to the Cowlitz River. I believe that the Coho's run is in full swing right now, and it's probably going to be packed, you know, with guides and people fishing. So it's late. I think it's like 3 o'clock, and I've got an hour and 40-minute drive to get there. I had a bunch of work I had to do to finish up before I could leave. And so I don't know if I'll be able to finish or fish tonight. That's the goal, being able to fish tonight. I'll see you when I get down there. Well, we'll check out the barrier. See if we see any fish jumping. See if there's any boats down here. Well, how about that? I better launch the boat and get over there and do some fishing. Okay, there we go. We're down, chained. Man, gotta slow down, Gene. Last thing I need to do is break something because I'm in a hurry. All right, let's get this bad boy launched. Let it warm up for a minute longer. I'm not sure how much time I have left, but it looks like I have quite a bit of light. I got down here in a hurry. I wanted to hit the water. So I have a lot of options available to me today. The Coho should be here. They were here the last time I was here, but I haven't been here for about 10 days. So let me run up here and see what we can do. I think there might be a boat or two. I'll work my way around them if I can. If not, we'll head up to the island. As you can see, I've got plenty of eggs here. I just gave them the stir. Oh man, they look awesome. That one actually looks giant. That's way too big. Get 2 baits out of that one. There we go. Last time down, you see what happened? Mother Nature threw me a curveball and knocked this tree down right in my path. We got plenty of water, so I don't have any problems with shooting out of my launch pad here. Let's go. Oh boy, am I lucky today. There is nobody here. I'm sure they were here already. Guides usually fish this spot in the morning. It's usually when the best bite comes on. But I've been able to catch them all day long. So let's get the rods baited up. I have my my float rod and my jig rod just in case I was going to go up to the island. But I prefer bobber dogging. It's more exciting instead of just standing there in the river. I mean, that's exciting too, but I prefer this type of fishing. So as long as there's nobody here, I'm gonna do this. The only thing I've done a little differently in the last couple of years is I don't store them in borax anymore. I don't store them in borax, but what I do is I leave them in the bag, and then when they reabsorb the liquid, they swell back up, and I freeze them just like that. And then I thaw them out to use them, and then use the borax when I get ready to use them, so they're dry and clean for me and for my hands. That's my story, and I'm sticking to it. Okay, let's see what happens on the first cast here. Wouldn't that be something? Okay, here we go. There should be fishing. There should be a lot of fish in here, I would think. I mean, if you asked me, that's what I would tell you. But I could be wrong too. I've been wrong many times before, and I'm not afraid to admit it. It's not that cold, but it is foggy. Motors are fine, warming up. I don't know if you can see me, but we're gonna head up. Look at that, we got a boat coming down the river here. So I've got the anchor set. I'm gonna have the rope here too. I like using my walking stick up here because it's really slippery. It's not very deep, but the rocks are really slick from the food from the hatchery. Where's my float? No, it's just stuck on the bottom. It's kind of tricky fishing up here. The current is very bizarre. And the contour of the bottom is very unusual, and it comes right straight back to you. Lots of fish up here. They're just not, they don't want to hit. No corky, just straight eggs. That's the way I've always fished it up here. And looks like my bobber stopper set at maybe about 6 feet. Look at that, there's just fish finning everywhere here. Right around my float. I think I need to set my bobber stopper a little bit more shallow, or else I'm going to be losing a lot of bait and gear here. Set to like 4 feet. Look at that, I'm hung up right there on a piece of line. Man, I swear. There we go. Somebody's line right there. Oh, where's my float? That's a fish right there. There we go. Here we go. Now I gotta get back to my net. Fight this fish backwards. Like this. Oh no, don't go that way. They normally don't go downriver if you have them hooked properly. Oh, it's a coho, death roll. I gotta ease up on them. I can't put a lot of pressure on them when they're right here, because then they'll turn sideways and go downstream. It's a nice fish too. Come on. Into the net. Into the net. Nope. Woo, she's a beauty. She's a beauty, baby. Come on. Back into the net, back into the net. Into the net you go. And there is no adipose fin on that baby. Oh, wow. What a gorgeous fish. Oh my. That is a beauty. That is a beautiful fish. But get him out of there so you can see him. Wow, that is chrome. There she is. Oh, barely hooked too. Barely hooked, but look at that thing. Because it could get loose. Oh, dude, that is a beautiful fish. Wow. Oh gosh, I missed him. Oh, I missed that fish. Dang it, dang it, dang it. Oh, shoot. Oh, man. Okay, come on. I just missed that hit, that strike. Well, it wasn't really a strike. It's take or bobber down or whatever it is. And you can see there's fish all over in front of me. You'd think it'd be fish after fish after fish up here, because there's fish everywhere. But they don't hit, especially the kings. The kings, once they get up here in this pool, they're done. Although there was one year, probably around 8 or 9 years ago, where I did really well twitching jigs with kings, and that's the first time that's ever happened. It's the only time it's ever happened. Something about this pool up here, when they get up here, they shut off. They'll hit down in the lower river in the moving water, but once they get up here where all the, the attraction water is, they don't hit anymore. And that's what that stuff is over there coming out of the chute. That's attraction water. It's water that they pump out of the hatchery to attract the fish to bring them up into that spot. Oh, there's my float. Fun fight though, huh? I'm not going to keep this fish, it's dark. And you can't keep kings anyway, if it's a king. I mean, it could be an old coho. But it's big, whatever it is. Big and burly. Wow. Okay. Let me just walk backwards to my net here. Have to get this guy in the net. This is going to be a fun fight, but it's going to be a fish that I don't want, I think. It's big and dark and mad. It was kind of funny when a dark king surfaced right where my float was, and I was thinking to myself, that fish could see my stuff anytime, and then boom, this fish hit. Oh, it's just a big coho. Wow. It is a monster coho. And I think it's a buck. Yeah, it's just a big buck coho. Okay. I'll have to get him back in the net. We're gonna release him. It is a super large, very large, very large fish. What a nice fish. Right species, wrong gender. Oh, just came unbuttoned too. A little bit of blood on his face. He'll heal from that. Come here, fish. We're gonna release you. Get you out of our net. Okay, here we go. Ready? There it goes. Right into the sun as he rides off into the sunset. Oh, that was cool. That was a pretty fun fight, but it was a buck. I want a hen. So I just put on a fresh cluster of eggs and threw it right off. Gentle cast. Smooth. That's a fish right there. Oh, no, no, no. Gosh, I could have swore that was a fish. Oh, man. It feels like a fish. It feels like a fish. That's a fish. Okay, there we go. I thought that felt like a fish. Looked like a fish, felt like a fish. Oh, it's a coho because he's got the death roll going on already. I gotta keep him out of the rapids. Oh, it just came off. Oh, I had to put too much pressure on him because I was trying to keep him out of the rapids. Oh, shoot. Oh, okay. There we go. There's a fish right there. Right there, baby. Come on. Here we go. Oh, he's gonna go down if I don't get him to turn. There we go. Gotta keep him low. He's going down. Don't go down. Do not go down. Do not go down. Come back up. There we go. Oh, there we go. Woohoo. Wow. That was crazy. Okay. Keep this fish buttoned up. Okay. Well, hopefully we have a hen here. She tried to go over the rapids on me, but I didn't let her. Okay, come on. Oh, yes. Oh, look at that. Come on. Oh, shoot. What do we have here? Oh no. That's a beautiful fish. Wow, this is an absolute chromer. Absolute chromer. Hooks right in the corner of her mouth there. The stinger hook got her. Come on, hold still. There we go. There we go. Wow, what a beautiful fish, huh? That thing is chrome. Absolutely chrome. And it's got an adipose fin. Actually, okay, look. It's got an adipose fin, but it's been cut. We're gonna release her. Okay, come on, baby. Here we go. The other way. The other way, come on. There you go. There you go. There you go, come on.
If you liked this video, be sure to check out our other videos where you'll join us on the ocean catching kings and silver salmon, lakes catching kokanee trout and landlocked coho. We'll also be working our riverfront homestead and harvesting venison. Stay tuned for more fishing and hunting and outdoor adventure videos. Be sure to subscribe to the channel and hit that bell button so you get notifications of new uploads. Thank you for watching.